Hello everyone, welcome back. In this short video, I will talk a little bit about the ear. It's part of the series of drawing the elements of the face. Now, the ear is something that we quite often forget to even draw. When we're drawing a portrait, we're very focused on the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. But drawing the ear is important. The ears will tell us how the whole head is tilted. And of course, it also looks strange if ears are missing, if they should be visible. It's a complex but quite interesting shape. And when I start drawing, as always, I start with the whole thing that I want to draw. Of course, in this case, it's the ear itself. With open light lines, I mark the ear. I don't expect to be correct the moment I start drawing. And so throughout the whole drawing process, I am slowly correcting here and there as I get to know what I'm drawing a little bit better. I first start quite simple, so I don't go into details with anything that I draw. It's important to get major directions and major shapes and the big proportions. And once I get a little bit more into the drawing, I can slowly add some more shape there. As you can see, I've started with quite a lot of somewhat straight lines, and I slowly begin now to round everything and be a little bit more precise with what I'm drawing. I use a soft graphite pencil. There is no need for using very, very soft pencils such as 6B or 8B. So I recommend something like a 2B or a 3B like this one is. I mark also a little bit where I want the border between light and shadow to be. Of course, since I'm drawing from model, it's not always something that I can decide. But always remember that we're not simply copy machines, and we can always decide to add or remove something from our drawing, if it makes sense, of course. I have now marked everything that I needed to mark. I've changed the things that needed to be changed. I have shown where I wanted the border between light and shadow to be. And now the next step for me is to simply hatch in bigger and smaller planes while maintaining the tonal values somewhat. Here is the final result. I hope you liked this short video. Subscribe to this channel for more. Find us on Instagram. And remember, keep drawing and have fun.